Hello everyone. I ran into a bit of a problem during this animation I'm working on, which was that, and the musical notes start fast but end slow. So what I want to do is I want to have them start slow and then finish fast. A bit like this, and this one is the finished product, although I'm not actually using the musical lines, but that's what I wanted to do. So it starts off slow and finishes quickly, more realistic. I just want to show you. So you go up into the pen tool and start a new shape layer, and you want to start it. You want to work out where you want the shape to go. And you can use anything, you can tie this with anything. So basically they're keyframe notes that you can copy and paste onto something else. So mine's that there. Mine's a simple shape. So what now? I'll go into the shape path here and Command C, paste those keyframes that it created, and I want to add it into one of my musical notes here. Let me just adjust the lines here. So you go into position and then copy and paste what was created in the shape layer. So it automatically just creates a motion from one end to the other, and you can adjust that by holding down Alt and move that across. So that's the note. I'm going to make that flow with the musical lines like that. So now I need to adjust the size of the musical note. So I'll go to scale and I'll put that to 0. And go to the end and see what it's like at 100. See if that works. Yeah, so that works. Small to large. And so I'm going to copy and paste that one into the second note. And it'll create the same thing that I created then. So just a matter of highlighting, Command C, and copying and pasting, Command V. And I'll do this with all the other notes that I want to follow this path. Adjust that, have them close by each other. This is running so slow. I'm running other programs at the moment, but this is why it's a bit slow. But yeah, so same thing, copy and paste. and spread them out there. Go into position, copy, whoops, copy and paste. And see, but now I'm running into that problem. So they're starting out fast and then finishing slow. So I want the opposite with this. And last one, copy and paste. Now all the notes that I want to use are exactly the same as that shape, initial shape layer that we made at the beginning. Now see how, because of that, they start fast and finish slow, they start to bunch up at the end there. And it just doesn't, this is what we have to do. We have to go into graph, and this little thing will pop up. And so this one's a speed graph, and the value graph it'll automatically come up on the value graph. So you have to make sure you right click and hit the speed graph. So you want to adjust this little arm here to the right so we get that huge tidal wave looking thing. So that means that the lower end, the stable side, is the slow side, and then that little peak is where it speeds up. And I'm just going to do the same for the scaling. All the way, 100%. And let's see how that looks. Much better. Much better. Okay, and basically I'll copy and paste that same template, those keyframes, into each note that I want to use there. So I'll go through all these and copy and paste the new keyframes. And now, with all the notes together, let's see how that looks in a sec. Shorten those a bit. And let's see how that looks. Perfect. And maybe that might help you with something. You can do something similar to that. You can do it with text or basically whatever you want to. So, and yeah, like and subscribe again if you like. And thanks again for watching.